Hi there, and thanks for your time today in joining us for the Besure Financial Network introduction webinar. Now, I know everybody's time here is really valuable, so we're going to keep today's session to about 20 minutes or under. And look, for that purpose, we'll try and keep questions to the end of the presentation. And obviously, our contact details will be available if you'd like to book a free online consultation to see how Besure might be a good fit for your business as well. So today we're going to be reviewing what is the Besure Financial Network and why are so many professional services and consumers joining, and how are our members receiving new clients, and the opportunities and the tools Besure is providing for our members to generate repeat business opportunities within their client base. Some quick housekeeping. Today's presentation and the Besure Financial Network itself, look, it's not for everybody. In short, our network is driven by the wants and the needs of our members, both professional and personal. And to put it simply, I mean, this is designed for businesses who are actively seeking growth, available for proactive referral opportunities, and are aligning their business towards ongoing value and repeat business type services. Again, obviously today doesn't count as personal advice, or it's not any sort of guarantee of results. So who is Besure? Look, essentially our goal is to secure the future success of professional service providers and their clients. For our professional members, this means securing ongoing sources of viable growth opportunities and profitable long-term client relationships. In other words, get new clients and keep them. And for our personal members, it's the opportunities and the tools to be in control of every element of their finances and to access the best possible service providers. What is the Besure Financial Network? It's a combination of both an online professional services network and relationship management software. So look, for our professional members, it's a network to connect with both new clients and new referral partners. And it's the tools, again, to manage both the referral activities and their ongoing client services. Look, for our personal members, again, it's a network to connect with professional service providers, and really the tools not only to manage their finances, but keep their service providers connected to their ongoing lifestyle changes and goals. Look, I mean, why has Besure become so popular and been able to deliver results, particularly for our professional members? And for this, I mean, what I'd like to do is take a look at the current environment that professional service providers are finding themselves in. Now, we are in an age where the improvements and the benefits that innovative type disruption has brought to our lives has also been accompanied by the subsequent end, or at the very least, a threat to an existing industry or a model. You know, we've seen it with accommodation, entertainment, transport, and look, guess which industry most experts are predicting and already seeing as having the next bullseye on it? Obviously, I'll give you a hint with this artist's impression design. So, scientifically speaking, this is probably quite an accurate representation of where the majority of professional services are sitting in regards to disruption and innovation. You know, when we look at the track record of these other industries that have already encountered this type of disruption, we see the same telltale signs almost every time. Number one, we see the industry become internally distracted from consumer satisfaction with things like regulations, compliance, more paperwork, administration hurdles to increase operating time and costs. Two, we see a stereotype image emerge in the public consciousness of the industry operators. Things like, they're just salesmen, or it's all about earning commission. Number 3, the opportunity of resources and technology to provide more competitively priced and convenient alternatives continues to rise. So it's with that current environment and those changes that we're seeing happening right now that, again, I'll repeat, our goal and our reason for the Besure Financial Network is to secure the future success of professional service providers and their clients. So let's move on to the opportunities that Besure is providing and the benefits that our members are currently experiencing. Firstly, receiving new clients. So Besure has a range of ways that professional members receive new clients, starting with personal member team campaigns. So as we mentioned, the network is actually used and benefited by personal members as much as it is from professionals. And one of the major features for our personal members is their ability to create and manage their own team of professional service providers. Now this includes up to 7 different positions, ranging from accounting, financial planning, insurance, mortgage broking, real estate, property management, legal, and the users can launch campaigns to source service providers from within the network. So their team campaigns will obviously return professional member candidates like yourself, where the personal member can review details like your area of expertise, your location, your business personality, the fee structure, obviously client testimonies and feedback ratings. Now what this also means for our professional members is they get to review the client lead before accepting it to make sure this new client fits the demographic of their business and the direction they're trying to grow their client base. So that can include things like the client's location, age, occupation, existing providers, plus overviews of their financial position as well. Now, again, obviously personal members are provided information access settings, which allow them to restrict what level of details they want to provide team candidates during this part of the recruitment process. So this is driving massive opportunities for our professional members. We now have upwards of 1,000 personal members in the network that are actively using Besure to manage their professional services team. The second way our professional members receive new clients is through referrals. So just like you saw with our personal members, our professional members create a team of referral partners. So again, that full range of industries is available. So our members can have a professional available to refer for all their clients' needs. Members can obviously invite existing referral partners to join their team, but also launch campaigns to source candidates for their available positions. Again, where they can view things like business details, fees, testimonies, etc. But additionally, they can actually view how each other's client base demographics compare, plus potential ratings for that candidate. So this will include things like comparing estimate lead volume, referral revenue forecasts, and an overall score rating for that referral candidate to give you the best possible potential compatibility assessment before investing time into that referral partner. Now, once members have positions filled in their referral team and their client base, they can actually refer their team members to their clients who have identified a service need or an opportunity. So these referral opportunities are in line with members' preference settings for things like referral commission payments, whether that's not applicable, whether it's upfront or all ongoing transactions for those referred clients. And the platform itself will actually manage not only your referral commission payment transactions, but members can monitor the performance of their referral team members as well. So again, the referral activities are making up massive portions of our members' business growth. Now, without going into too much detail on this, when a professional member is responsible for inviting their client to connect through the network, they are assigned what we call client host status. So this status means that only you are authorized to refer other professionals to the client, and you alone can receive referral commission. Also, when the client launches campaigns to source other professional service types, your referral partners are always prioritized first as candidates. However, obviously, if when you attempt to connect with your client, they have already joined the network as a personal member or someone else has already introduced them, then the client host status is obviously issued on a first in, best dressed basis. So obviously one of the first tasks and opportunities available for new professional members is the chance for them to connect with their existing clients and secure that client host status. Okay, so we've covered some of the main ways our professional members receive new clients, but the other key goal for our professional members is to keep their client relationships profitable through repeat business. Now, especially in this new industry environment that we discussed earlier, consumers are generally categorizing professional services as either a vending machine that just pumps out processes for a fee. An example we hear often is insurance brokers, where clients are interpreting what they do as just forwarding the renewal offer with an invoice on top. Or they're interpreted like a robot sort of salesperson. So like people wanting to create maybe debt strategies and seeing a mortgage broker and finding the mortgage broker's goal is just to obviously sell them as much debt as possible. Or alternatively, they view you as a professional consultant whose expertise, advice, and hopefully ongoing management is actually worth paying for. And it's this perception of our professional members that actually drives ongoing business opportunities. Again, rather than being limited to having to find new one-off sales-based clients every single month. And we have quite a large portion of our professional members that have actually been able to introduce ongoing retainer-based arrangements with their clients. So let me show you how they're using Besure as a platform to achieve this. The first of these is what we call update notifications. So as we saw earlier, personal members can manage their financial and their lifestyle data within their profile. So as these details change and progress, they can actually create notifications to their professional management team of the updates. And our surveys have found that there's almost 40 or so different changes that clients are regularly experiencing, for which professional service providers do actually have a chance to apply their expertise and obviously ongoing service opportunities. So essentially, it's keeping you connected to what's happening in your client's lifestyle and finance, again, to keep that relationship profitable and valuable. The second feature that's driving repeat business is our strategies function. So this is where a personal member can create a strategy with a goal relating to their finance or their lifestyle. So that could be buying or selling assets, or changes in their family demographic, maybe starting a business, whatever it could be. They can then create action plans for the strategy where they can compare different approaches to making changes to their finance or lifestyle and assessing the forecasted variance and comparisons of those action plans. And then clients can actually recruit members of their financial management team to join the strategy and provide their advice and strategic input. So this process, again, it not only drives opportunities for our professional members to align their advice and their services towards their clients' goals, but it actually encourages clients to view their team members as professional ongoing consultants rather than just salespeople. So look, to summarize, again, professional members receive new clients from invitations from personal members that are recruiting from the network. Again, prioritizing your referral partners when your clients are recruiting. Plus, obviously, opportunities from referral partners themselves who are introducing their client service needs to their referral team members. And again, driving those repeat business opportunities through update notifications of clients' financial and lifestyle changes and connecting their advisors to their long-term strategies and goals. Which again, it's why we stress Besure is not designed for those businesses who aren't actively looking to grow their business or align their services for repeat business and ongoing value for clients. Look, so essentially, that's a very basic overview of the primary benefits and features of the Besure Financial Network for professional members. Now, I can see we had a few questions throughout the session here that are definitely quite common. One of them I saw was, is referral commission payments compulsory? Look, no, you can customize your referral team settings for each of the team positions, so that is very flexible to your preference. Another one I saw was, what's to stop my clients replacing me with other professionals from the network? Maybe the more pertinent question would be, why are you nervous about your clients replacing you? Look, when your position in a client's professional team is filled, it'll actually disengage the option of a client launching a campaign to search for professionals in that same industry. So they actually have to remove you from the team actively, during which you actually get a notification that essentially your client's firing you. Another one we saw was, how do we know if my clients are already using Besure? We have an option where you can complete a bulk invitation process. So you can basically upload an Excel file with your clients' email addresses. The system will automatically search to see if they're already members, in which case it sends them a request to add you to their team. And if they haven't joined, then it emails them, as a custom email. You're inviting them to connect in the network, and, successfully, that's where you secure that client host status. The last one we saw was obviously, what's the costs? So look, professional members, they register, they can connect with existing referral partners into their team and their existing clients for free. So you don't pay anything for that, and to use the functions and features of the network in that capacity. The paid subscription, it's only activated when you're ready to send or receive invitations to connect with new referral partners or new clients. So that's when the subscription payments kick in, and that's a tax deductible $69.95 a month. So look, guys, that's about all we have time for today. And look, thank you very, very much for your time. Remember, you can register now at besure.com.au for free. And if you do have any further questions, or if you'd like to book a free online consultation, you can reach us at info@besure.com.au. But look, thank you again. And look, we really look forward to seeing you join in on the benefits our existing members experiencing in Besure. Thanks again. Take care.